Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to lock screen password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with numeric. And to create numeric password we have to add at least 4 digits. Also you can use 6-digit PIN and 4 to 16-digit PIN. Let's select this 4-digit PIN and we are only going to use this one because basically they are the same. Now let's use it to unlock the tab. Next, let's select alphanumeric password and enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. Use it to unlock the phone. And in the end, let's select pattern. To create pattern, we have to connect at least 4 dots. Now let's go back and enter face. Thanks to this function, we will be able to unlock the tab using our face. Scan your face in this area. Tap done. And now you can unlock your phone via Face ID. Swipe up and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.